Manufacturing vehicles and engines and their associated use on the road clearly has an impact to the environment. We're in decline at the moment, but in the future we expect the global demand for vehicles still to continue to grow. We need to respond to this demand with an environmental approach. In Toyota we have a 360-degree environmental approach to the whole life cycle of our products, and our dream goal is to achieve zero emissions throughout the whole product life cycle. Back in 1992, we placed environmental consideration right at the heart of our planning, and we've continued to seek ways to minimise our impacts upon the local surroundings and the global climate. An example of employee-led innovation which led to significant reductions in CO2 is in our paint shop. Our paint shop is our major energy user at the Toyota site.
The goal for the project was to reduce our carbon dioxide emissions on site. The paint shop itself consumes maybe 50% of the energy that we use on site, and over half of this energy is consumed within conditioning the air that we use in the painting booths. The air in the painting booths itself needs to be at a very fine level of temperature and humidity control. And we found that the control itself was not very energy efficient. So if we could make changes to this control system, then we would be able to reduce our carbon dioxide emissions and also save energy at the same time. I found that by understanding how our equipment works, I could change a parameter within our control system, make our control system work differently, which would reduce our steam consumption. We went out into the marketplace and approached several controller manufacturers to see if there was a system that would make our equipment work in the way I wanted it to. There wasn't a system available at all. So we worked with a control supplier to design a bespoke system that would operate the equipment in the way that we wanted to, which would take advantage of the wider paint operating window and would remove completely the manual operation. We believe this system is a world first within the automotive industry. We originally piloted the project on one booth and we found it to be very successful. We've now installed the system on all of the 4 painting booths that we have here. The results are that we've reduced our steam consumption by 40%, which means we've reduced our carbon dioxide emissions by 40%. The control system itself has been shared with the Toyota family. It has actually been installed in TMMF, which is the French plant, and also the plant in Turkey. So we've been able to share the environmental benefits within the Toyota family in Europe.
Since 1992, we're really proud to be able to say we've reduced water, energy, waste and VOC by between 60 and 70%. Of course, you can make major step change through the introduction of new technology. However, we think it's more important engaging our employees to make small changes each day.